So I put Cadbury in the inside of the cookie, and as you can see, it melted. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I post things about hobby, experience, and traveling. Hope you like all my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you're gonna see a special video because you're gonna cook with Mia. So I have the ingredients here. I have flour and baking soda, butter, chocolate chips, brown sugar, white sugar, cocoa, eggs, and salt. So we're gonna bake some cookies, and this is gonna be good. You won't regret it. Okay, see you in the next transition. Okay guys, so we have to put the ingredients in this kind of a bucket thing. So I'm gonna put the sugar first. So guys, there's already sugar here. So I'm gonna put the butter after that. Okay guys, so next we're gonna mix these ingredients together. After you mix it, you need to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So let's do it. After you put the vanilla, you put a little bit of flour and flour mixed with baking soda, and you mixed it. So guys, after you mix with the flour, you put some salt in it. And don't forget to put some cocoa powder. And guys, don't forget to put the chocolate chips. Okay guys, after you mix all of the ingredients, you should bake the dough for 8 until 10 minutes because if you over the time, it would be dent. So let's do it. Okay guys, don't forget to set the timer for 8 until 10 minutes. Nah guys, ini kan kreasi kalian. Jadi kalian bisa add topping apa aja, seperti Cadbury and cheese. Let's pop up the oven. And don't forget for the timer until 8 minutes until 10 minutes. Hi guys, jadi aku udah selesai bikin cookiesnya. Nah, ini tipe cookiesnya itu depannya itu crunchy and dalamnya itu soft. So, let's open one. So I put Cadbury in the inside of the cookie, and as you can see, it melted. See? It's soft in the inside and crunchy in the outside. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like all my videos, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Stay healthy and stay safe. Peace. Bye.